Hello guys, today we're gonna go in a challenge. We're gonna do maximum burpees as much as we can. I'm gonna challenge myself in front of you. It's an excellent exercise because it's for entire body. It also boosts your cardio, your stamina, and also increase power of your legs, of your upper body, and also your core. That's why I love burpees, man. And if I was to do one of the exercises which I was to do without tools, without any equipment, burpees would be the best because it catches the entire body and every muscle in your body. And also one hand push-up is a great one for whole body tension or pistol squat. But yeah, burpees are the best for cardio. So it's a very great cardio which you can replace. If you want to replace skipping or running or something, I would suggest burpees for power and vitality. I do it sometimes, not very often, but I have to do it more often because it's the greatest one. So without wasting time, let's start it. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop here because it's 1 p.m. and I'm not eating. I'm fasting from since last night 8 p.m. So I don't know how much I could do, but I could go more. I just don't want to pressure myself. It's an amazing result. I hope you guys do this one and challenge yourself. Thank you. Just to explain, the hardest part was legs. It pissed me off. I had so much pain in my legs. But it's okay, it's alright. I could go maybe 20, 50 more, I'm sure. I just don't want to pressure too much my heart. High intense cardio is not good, too much. But at least I keep it medium, it's alright. I hope it helps you guys.